Stacy. Hello everyone! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta po ninyo.
Alright, so before we start with all the questions, we'd like to acknowledge first our friends from the media. I hope I understand the handwriting. I hope I'm saying your names correctly. Okay, from Chinese Journal, we have Albert Yu. I hope I said that right. Angelita Agonias, photographer. Of course, Angelito rather. Celso Caparas, of course. Hi, Celso. And also we have Noel, definitely, Noni. And we do have as well, that's right, Adrian. That's right. Mel Caparas, of course. Ezo, there you go, Ezo. We also have John Futanilla. Yes, of course, or John, hi. We have also Dan, Dante, of course, Dan speaks. Hi, Dante. Also, we would like to acknowledge Jasper and David. And of course, welcome back to the, event circle. Again, Robert, Bobby, hi, nice to see you again after a really long time. And everybody else, I hope I didn't forget anyone, just in case I forgot somebody. Please let me know and we will be acknowledging you guys. Again, thank you for being with us. Again, I'll hand over the microphone for a Kwentuhan. That's Kwentuhan rather, Kwentuhan. That's right, with our monologue 2026. Ma'am Charina. Hello, ma'am, please. Again, if you have any questions, I'm going to hand over the mic to you guys and ask away. Mr. Mel Caparas first.
Hello, Charina. I just want to ask, about your upcoming movie, yung Coming Home? Ano yung inspiration ng movie at ano yung role mo sa movie na yun?
Oh, I love your question. Yung upcoming movie po natin, the title po is Coming Home. It's about family and an OFW. Si Migs Malino po yung star sa movie na to. And siya po yung OFW na pumunta sa Hong Kong para hanapin yung kapatid niya na nawawala. Kasi po ibinenta ng father. At si Migs Malino po, ginampanan ni Gerard, yung aking totoong anak. Nung bata pa siya, and then tumanda na naging Migs Molino. At yung si Yama po ay naging si Jerry Gonzalez. So nakikita niyo rin po yung transition being their mother. Ako yung inahang, ako si ina. So tinatanda ako. Ito po ay movie na directed by Direct Neil Buboypan. Supposedly, Sir Mel, ang role ko dito, ano lang kami, flashback. Parang mawawala dapat yung mother niya magkakasakit. Pero nagbago ang isip ni Direct Buboy. Nung nag-usap kami and nag-shooting, binago niya po yung script. So mula po sa umpisa hanggang sa ending, makikita niyo na po ako doon. Tuwa-tuwa naman kami sa nangyari kasi masaya po yun. At maganda po yung movie, magpapromise ko sa inyo.
Kailan yung showing niya?
Ang showing niya po, sabi sa akin Sir Jet, DC Productions will be around July. Pero po, na-launch na yung trailer nung nakaraang concert ni Mix sa Tanghalang Pasigenyo.
So, invite mo yung mga...
So, yes po, ini-invite ko po kayong lahat, syempre, at lahat ng mga Pilipinos sa ating bansa na pag-suportahan ang pelikilong ito, Coming Home. Kasama ko rin po dito, maliban sa star na si Mix Molino, si Jared Gonzalez, si Nico Ferreira, si Keanu Reeves, si Ma'am Janice Horado, at marami pa pong artista na mga magagaling kong artista. Napaka-blessed and honored ko po at ni Gerard. Sir Richard Hinola, salamat. Dahil po napabilang kami dito at ito po yung first movie namin. Napasabak po ako, Sir Mel. So, regalo ko na rin po sa inyo yung ginawa ko yung best ko. Sana magustuhan po ninyo pag napanood ninyo.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mel. Now, let's move on with Bonnie.
Hi, Chetina.
Hello.
Ako medyo nakatulog kasi ang Mr. Casey na pwede mo from being a beauty queen, tapos singer and gayon, nasa showbiz ka na. So what
yan kasi alam ko mula umpisa pa lang, papunta pa lang ako ng Malaysia before ako sumabak sa international pageanting, nakasuporta ka na. At ilang din sa inyo, maraming salamat. Masasabi ko lang, God really moves in mysterious ways. Kasi ako every time, wala naman po akong expectations. Sabi ko nga kay Sir Richard, thank you lang para sa passion ko. And yung mga siguro hindi ko nagawa noon, ibinigay ni Lord ngayon. Diba? So kasama ko pa yung anak ko. I believe na everything happens na will ni God. Kasi lahat naman ng ginagawa ko before I do it or commit into something, in-offer ko talaga sa taas. And ipinagdarasal ko. And I always pray that it would always make me a better person kapag ginawa ko yon. And hindi lang yon, makakapag-share ako ng mas maganda sa mga nakapaligid sa akin o sa mga mai-influensyahan ko, mga matunood sa akin, o mga nag-look up sa akin dahil napaka-importante sa akin nun. Yun yung laging nagmamatter. So sa inyong lahat, salamat sa suporta ninyo.
Malak question na rin. So, what inspired you to enter the showbiz?
Ganun din, ang inspiration ko po. I've always, I realized, I learned something about myself recently na mahal ko pala ang acting kasi nag-enjoy ako eh. Nag-enjoy ko ako all because dahil nandoon din yung si Chilabit kasama ko. Nasanay ako na we're always together, buddy. Pero hindi ko po siya dati, di ba nakwento ko na po Kuya Noli na there were opportunities before na meron ko sana akong chance na mag-artista ng mas bata pa ako. Single pa ako through Nanay Loli Solis na naging friend ko. At ini-invite niya pa ako na mag-stay kasi di talaga pa ako noon. Mag-stay na daw po ako sa house niya dito sa Manila habang nag-artista. So kinuha niya po ako. Pero nung time na yon, hindi po ako talaga into it. Hindi pa ako ready kasi hindi ko po linya. Di ba dati merong mas ST gano'n, ST acting. Opo, may konting conservatism. hindi ko po linya or kaya. I have high respect for our actresses na kayang gawin yung kaya nila pero parang hindi ako comfortable. So sabi ko, it's not for me. And then nabanggit ko nga nung nakarang interview ko, 2001 came, and then pinapatanong niya pa rin si Kuya Nathan Cruz, kung kilala niyo, gusto ko ng mag-artista, baka nagbago na lang po yung isip ko. So hindi pa rin. So ngayon, na dumating siya, nakapag-acting workshop na ako, tapos marami ng life experiences, pinatatag at na-shape na ako ng time at panahon, mother na rin ako and wife. So, I think ngayon ako ready at talagang ito yung time para maka-go ako into acting.
What role or what movie genre itinsan naman on the way?
What movie, Benoli?
Movie genre or role na movie?
Alam ko, maniwala kasi hindi gusto ko yung action. Yes, mga Marvel movies, yung mga ibang... Katulad nung last time, nagtulad kami ng movie ng family ko, sa husband ko. Ganyan yung gusto kong mga role yung well-rounded, may part na a-acting ka na drama, tapos biglang mag-action ka, yung... Alam ko the first time ko nagpasok into a movie, pero I would really love to go challenging roles na nag-iba-iba para mas ma-challenge ko yung sarili ko. Mas matuto.
Okay, pahabang na yan, kasi narinig ko pag nag-a-artist na rin yung anak ko. Bakit pa kayo mother-in?
Hindi po, nagkataon lang. Opo, nagkataon lang na naghahanap ng hawig ni Mix na marunong mag-acting na bata. So pagkakita ni Direk ng picture ni Gerard, go agad. So hawig din ni Mix at ni Gerard. Nagkataon din siya, kahawig ako. So, pasok din.
Okay, best of luck sa bago mong career.
Thank you, Kuya Noli. Thank you so much.
Hi, ma'am. Sharina. Hello po. Hi, Benten. Hello po. Ma'am, kasi I saw you sa the last was yung sa Orly po ni Sir Richard. You are glowing. So feeling niyo po, now you're already entering the show business. Sino po yung idol mo na artista na gusto mong maging? At ano po yung pelikula niya na sa palagay mo ay naging inspirasyon mo upang ikaw naman ay tahaki mo na sa maging ganun din po?
Idol kong artista.
Opo.
Ang dami nating magagaling na artista talaga, di ba? So, siguro ang idol ko is Vilma Santos. Napakagaling na artista at napaka-well-rounded dancer din, tapos leader din, good mom din, di ba? And good actress. Marami siyang movies na napanood ko eh. Pero everyone would really look up to her when we get something relevant or valuable na magagamit. Hindi lang sa pagiging artista, kundi parang magiging isang ina, di ba? So siya po.
So, ibig sabihin po, idol niyo siya after pelikula, may plano rin po ba kayo maging politiko someday?
Ay, wala. May chance na rin ako dati. Gusto ko tumulong ng hindi ako politiko na walang hinihintay na kapalit. Di ba? Mas masaya.
Ma'am, sana all ang masasabi sa'yo. Ano po ba ang hindi mo kayang gawin? O ano po ang dream mo na gawin next po? So, after entering show business?
Ano hindi ko kaya gawin? Alam mo ako, ano din? Gumawa ng anak na babae. Ikaw na lang. Lahat naman alam mo, walang imposible kung gugustuhin natin, di ba? Walang hindi kaya. Basta you put your heart into it. Gawin mo yung best mo, di ba? Yay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Salamat din.
Thank you. Hold on. Nagtanong lang si Bobby.
Thank you. Hello, Miss Charina Robert po. Ma'am, palagay niyo masusundan itong movie?
Palagay ko. Kasi po, meron na po akong kinakausap sa Robert Tua. Meron po. Sabi ko kay Sir Richard, basta wag tayo magpapapressure. Kasi masaya nagkatrabaho po, di pa na nag-enjoy ka lang. Tapos kung ano lang ibigay yung hindi pinilin na ano. Meron na po akong kami kinakausap, pero po mayroon pa ba, hanggang wala pa.
Pero mukhang magmamaterialize yan this year, palagay.
Hopefully po, ilahabol ko yan sa susi.
So, paano yan? Kaya natikman niyo na yung acting, anong mas gusto niyo pala?
Pareho! Ay, music pa rin. Music po kasi, syempre talagang bata pa ako yung yung gusto ko ever since. So, pag nandun na ang kahit anong mangyari, hindi mawawala yung love for it, di ba po? Although yung acting, hindi rin yan forever. Yung music, kahit wala yung showbiz, yung ano, kaya gawin, di ba po? At kaya i-share.
Decide kayo na pumasok sa showbiz, may nag-resist ba sa family?
Wala
Anong support
po.
nila?
Yes, supportive naman po lahat, Sir Robert. Yung husband ko, yung mami ko noon, nagtatang sa akin eh, nung tumanggi ako kay Manay Lolit, kasi may movie na po na binibigay sa akin. Hindi talaga siya, ng heart ko nung time na yun. Parang alam niyo po, di ba may ganon? Sino naman ang mag-aayaw, di ba? Yung iba talagang doing their best makapasok. Pero ako kasi, naniniwala ko ako sa nararamdaman ko eh, yung gut feel ko.
Pero nung time na yun, walang panghihinayang nire-reject yung mga offer ni Manay Lolit.
Actually po, nung may edad na ako, mayroon ng Starstruck, di ba marami mga contest? Minsan nagre-request ko, ang pala pumasok ng showbiz. Tama ba yung ginawa ko? Ganyan ganyan po ako eh. Tapos nung nakausap ko na sila sa Richard na, ay mga ganyan, so siguro it's really God's will and according to His plan. So wala naman akong regrets. And looking at my son and my family, so napapaisip na po ako na I did the right decision. Baka walang Gerard, di ba sir?
Last question. So, palagay nyo, this is the right time talaga pumasok kayo sa showbiz?
Yes, I think it's the right time. Kasi po, wala na ako masyadong risk. At kung hindi naman mag-materialize, wala rin pong mawawala. Diyan lang, di ba? Meron na po akong naka-stable na yung life ko. Okay naman na po ako. So, come what may, para sa akin o hindi, I'm still full and still able to share myself to others.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you so much, Sir Ramon.
Thank you, Bobby. Thank you. Ezo?
Hi, ma'am. Ezel Jan. I just want to ask po, ano yung na-discover niyo sa sarili niyo at sa anak niyo during the shoot ng inyong movie?
Lumilaw pa na kami for acting. Kasi po, nakapag-acting workshop na si Gerard and ako, pero hindi para sa movies. Ang ginagawa naming workshop, kasi nag-BTR siya. Di ba po ang may commercial na dati yung Hansel sandwich. Tapos meron din po ako ng funds na nagawa. Tapos siya, marami rin siyang commercial na hindi siya yung lead. Kaya hindi lang siya masyadong na-recognize doon. So, nung iniisip namin, kasi siya talaga ayaw niya mag-artista pa. Mami, I'm too young for that. Sabi niya, okay lang daw commercials. Tapos, ako din, hindi ko na inisip na babalik yung jazz. Kasi, naniniwala ko na pag nag-close, di ba, once lang, hindi na babalik. So, sabi ko, wala, hindi din. Teacher na lang yun. And I was enrolling myself para i-mentor siya. Kasi parang nag-acting siya sa BTR. So, ma-realize namin yung ginawa namin. Alam mo, we're different persons nung acting kami. Hindi niya ako nanay, hindi ko siya anak. We're different characters. Saka ko na-realize ko, meron pala kaming something. Tapos natutuwa kayo kasi heavy yung scene namin. As in, hagulgul yung iyak ko, grabe yung pugot. Talagang, nagawa ko. Tapos tuwang-tuwa si Direk Cooper. So, sabi ko kay Sir Richard, Sir, bagay ba sa akin? Ayaw ko kasi nung pinipilin, makakatayang heart ako. Sabi niya, bagay sa'yo. Anyway, tatlong beses din silang umiyak. Umiyak sila sa scenes namin. So sabi ko, okay, that gives me parang confidence na maybe, okay kami sa lugar na to. Yun po.
Ma'am, aside sa acting, saan pa kayo nagbaban mag-ina?
Saan kami nagbabato? Other than acting, syempre yung family activities, like yung mga bonding namin na nag-golf din siya dati, nag-golf din ako kasi yung father nag-golf, we watch movies together, we sing together. Alam niyo, minsan sa bahay, kaya yung song na Hug Me, mamaya kakantahin ko, I composed it, talagang word by word, totoo yun. Kasi magpapatugtog siya ng songs. Lord! Magpapatugtog siya ng songs, tapos sasayaw kami, as in, sayaw talaga. Tapos kakanta kami, magkakantahan kami. Marami kami. Tapos runway modeling. Magkasama rin kami sa runway modeling. Actually, gusto siya isama ng designer ko sa London kasi nakapag-abroad na ako. Every time, kasama siya. Kaso hindi pa siya pinapayagan ng daddy niya. Dito lang daw muna siya sa Pilipinas. Baka raw, hindi ko maasikaso. Kasi syempre pag ako na, may liwanag ko siya. Yun, runway modeling. Thank you po.
Ayan, ako yung Serena.
Ay, Jones.
My turn naman ngayon.
Teka, belated happy birthday kay
Thank
Sir
you.
Jan! Birthday na
Salamat. Anyways, yung question ko, Queen Serena, is from acting to beauty queen, now may talk show ka na.
Yes!
So ano to, puro queen talk na to? May showbiz din, may politics?
Oh, thank you for that question, Sir Jan. Ang show po ito, ang title would be Queen Tuhan. Parang kwentuhan, but instead of Queen Tuhan, the talk show. It's about pageantry, fashion, and related events. So we'll be guesting mga current or past na beauty queens, tapos mga related dito sa fashion, may parang segue ng being celebrity or pero more on being queens or being in the pageantry world or fashion world or related events or that. Mostly also, it's just another platform for empowering others who are watching or viewing it, aspiring queens or mothers. So, iba-iba rin po since I wear so many hats on my head. So, ganun din po yung magiging topic namin, being like a queen in your own right. Yes, as long as it is contributing positively to the community, ipag-uusapan po.
So magiging busy ka throughout the year sa daming pinagawa.
Hindi naman po siguro masyado Sir John kasi like 4 episodes, we will be shooting it in a day. time pa rin ako kasi priority pa rin family.
Number one.
Number one.
Anyways, nung last na kwentuhan tayo, medyo nabitin lang. Kasi may concert that time.
Opo.
Isa ka sa guest, kay Nix na. Tapos napagkwentuhan natin about yung may nanligaw nga sa yung celebrity, si Nacho Mendoza. Ano tagal na naman yun, di ba? High school days. So, sumikat si Nacho. Ngayon parang nag-artista ka na, may possibility ba na, like for example, may project, may gagawin, nakasama ka, tapos kasama siya. Willing ka ba gagawin?
Siyempre po naman, good friends kami pati ng wife ni Chong. We call him Chong. Ang mga wife ni Matt. And their family is very close to me. Yung sister niya, best friend ng late sister ko. Ayun po. At saka sa Puerto Princesa, very small place, magkakaibigan po. Si Chong at si Matthew, yung wife niya, and siya, ninong at ninang po yun ni Gerard sa binyag ng baby pa. So they are very good friends with us, me and my husband.
So may connect ka din.
Opo, magkaibigan po. Sometimes, coffee pa nga po kami ng wife ni Matt.
Pero curious lang kami kasi during the time na kasikatan niya sobrang tahimik si Nacho. Paano bang nanligaw ang isang Nacho Mendoza?
Ay, kasi paano pa po ako? Wala po yun.
Super sweet ba? May mga flowers, with the chocolate.
Ay, ano po, nagsisingaan.
Kasi ano, medyo okay.
Noon po kasi sa amin, kukunti lang yung pupuntahan. So wala. Makain din po. Wala naman po. Yung parang friendly.
Pero hindi nagkatuluyan. Diba? Pero anyways, congratulations. Mga projects ka ba?
Wala akong ligtas na tanong mo, Sir John. Thank you po.
Hi po, good afternoon, Ms. Corina. My name is Adrian po of
Ay,
Manila.
it's Rian.
Since you're entering showbiz na po, so ready na po ba kayo sa mga, at syempre sa showbiz, meron tayong fans and then the bashers.
Opo.
So how will you handle bashers?
Ang pag-bashers po, dahil ba lang naman siguro ang importante lagi. Always, alam niyo po ba, Sir Adrian, kahit na nung kabataan ko at hindi ako celebrity, hindi mo na maiwasan, minsan may-make up ng stories about you, di ba po?
Totoo po.
Okay, lalo na sisiraan ka. Pero ako po, I always believe na yung nalalaman ng mga taong nakakakilala sa akin ng totoo, personally, at nalalapit sa akin, yun yung nagmamatter. Actually, yung mga bashers na ganyan, kasama yun sa prayers ko. Yung nagpe-pray ko sila na to bless them, di ba? Kasi kung minsan, may mga ganyan, may pinagdadaanan din po, or hindi naiiwasan. Ready!
So you're always be trying to understand.
Yes, opo. Hindi ko naman, hindi mo na pwedeng patulan yung mga ganon.
Thank you, Bob. And another question. If you will be given a chance to have a leading role sa isang movie, sino po ang gusto niyong leading man?
Leading man, wala pa ako in my mind na leading man by this time. Marami po kasi magagaling na leading men, di ba, sa Philippine showbiz. So, yung mga magagaling, like sila Chanloy Cruz, sila Viola Pascual, si Matt, why not? Naman Mendoza, why not? Yung sa mga militan na, sila Christopher De Leon. Actually, wala pa akong in particular, pero marami tayong male actors na really high caliber ang galing sa pag-aarte. And it would be really my honor kung mapapareha ako sa kanila kasi sila magagaling na. Mga balikan na.
So, ano pong prefer po ninyo? More movies or more teleseries?
Movies po.
Movies.
Kasi pag teleserye, Sir Adrian, may possibility na malakaw, di ba? That I cannot afford for now kasi po kailangan ko talaga ng time para with family. Yung movies na natapos agad eh. So, minsan hindi everyday.
Thank you po. And
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now, let's move on to the question from Celso.
Ano siya yung cellphone?
Hello, Ma'am Charina.
Ano po?
What legacy would you love to be remembered of?
Legacy, I'd like to be remembered of is being selfless for other people. Like, whenever I do like something, iniisip ko po kung ano yung masishare ko. Like when I did my business, when I was an entrepreneur. Like here, sabi namin sa Richard, pag may mga tickets, we give the proceeds to our charity works. So, I want to build a legacy that will be like I'm a role model to others, not necessarily on monetary or material things, but being able to share that it's possible, and even how busy you are, even how successful you are, there will always be a part of you that you can share with other people. Those around you or those people you don't even know. That's the best charity that you can do.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Celso.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you, Celso. And yeah, we can entertain a couple more questions from, of course, our media friends, Tita Pilar.
Ito ba?
Hi, Charina.
Hello.
Congratulations. Ang dami mong gagawin.
Thank you po.
Ang tanong ko lang, kung wala na ang kung tanggal ang corona sa ulo mo, tanggal ang maskara sa pagiging showbiz mo,
Opo.
sino si Charina? Bukod sa pagiging ina at asawa, ano yung simple na Charina sa tunay na buhay?
Isang Charina na mababaw at madaling mapasaya. Madaling maka-appreciate ng mga bagay sa paligid. Kahit makakita lang ako ng mga bata na marunong magmahal ng walang hinaantay na kapalit. Kapag mayroong maganda ang panahon and all, madali po akong maka-appreciate at na-appreciate ko yun hindi lang dahil sa simpleng biyaya, kundi blessing ni God. I always count my blessings around me, no matter how simple they are. Naniniwala po ako yun, na yun yung simple living. I'm a very simple person.
Kumusta naman ang ang relationship mo with the Lord? Are you happy?
With the Lord? Opo, Catholic po ako. Actually, hindi ko na gagawin. Actually, cooperator po ako kung narinig yung August Day. Kaya natapansin niyo yung mga compositions ko, lagi may touch of God. Pag narinig niyo yung last isang song, di pa lumalabas, Ordinary Saints. So, I composed it. It's basically, which I've learned, pero hindi naman po kailangan na sobrang conservative. Tao lang ako, hindi perfecto. Marami rin kasalanan. Pero naniniwala ako na ino-offer mo yung anything na ginagawa mo. Like now, you're taking me a video, you're interviewing me. I-offer mo sa taas, Ate Pilar, you believe it can be converted into a prayer. So, yun din po yung gusto kong i-share. Kaya lahat ng ginagawa ko, in-offer ko sa taas, I believe na it's the best offering that you can do. Something na ginawa mo, as long as it's honest, you give your best no matter how simple it is. So, tsaka syempre tiwala, dasal. Di ba po? Sa taas.
Congratulations, we are behind you to support you.
I love
Actually,
you.
pansin ko lang dun sa picture dyan nung son mo, kamukha na si Coco Martin. Hey, good luck.
Talaga. Kakanta po kami. Thank you. Kakanta kami mamaya ng anak ko.
Thank you, Tita Pilar. Again, one last question maybe from our media friends. One last. There you go.
Hi, Sharina. I'm Simone from M01.
Hello, Simone.
So yeah, congratulations. You have a lot going on.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So speaking of a lot, I know you already, of course, went through a lot in life. You have the wisdom and the indulgence level. So was there like a crossroads, a major crossroad in your life where you had to like choose between like being just a normal, individual versus being a public-facing individual who pursues all these different ventures?
Thank you, Simone. Oh yes, as I mentioned, when I was single, when I was like decades ago, I've been into a crossroad kasi di ba when I met, lahat naman ay solis. And it's gonna really change my life 360 degrees for sure if I just said yes. And then I chose not to go into showbiz at the time and be just a single lady that I was. But I proceeded with my charity work. So every year yun since college, high school, every year I did my charity works and then lived simply, had a simple love life, working, we worked for a bank and then as an executive director of the culture and arts for the province of Palawan, and then being an entrepreneur. And then here, another crossroad, I already said yes. I'm into empowering other mothers also because if you know this, I said yes during the time when I'm already now a mother and a wife. When others think that when you're in that kind of situation, then you are already powerless, you have no time for those kind of things. But it's even made me stronger and even more prepared emotionally, I think physically, spiritually, and I'm ready for it, kahit na take it on.
Just a quick follow-up. During your charity works, did you ever encounter a story which touched your heart so deep that you can really forget about it?
Oh yes, maybe a couple of things. There was a time when I celebrated my birthday in a slum area. Actually, katabi siya ng Smoky Mountain. So the people there, the children were walking na nakawak-apak lang. And then I saw this mother and child. I think the child is like 4 or 5 years old. And doon kami sa tabi ng house nila. Meron kami parlor games, pakain. Sometimes ginagawa ko yan, doon ako nag-birthday sa celebrating with them. Yung house nila, San Simon X, alam niyo yung sacks ng rice? Apat na, siguro mga 1 liter by 1.5 liters. Sack of rice na nakatali lang sa 4 na kahoy. Na
Nakatapalangan.
Uso pala, tapos yung damit nila, nakapaa sila, butas-butas yung damit nila. And then I heard, the good thing you celebrated your birthday here. Don't you know that some of those who reside here, but I'm sorry for the words or for the pero ang ginagawa pala niya, since tabi sila ng Smoky Mountain, di ba kung saan yung mga basura nilalagay? Yung mga tinatapon na pagkain, even patay na animals, inuluto nila ulit para gawing pagkain. So, oh my God, talagang nagdulog yung puso ko kasi mga bata and family, how come they could eat their animals, patay na aso? Diba? So, pulang lupa yung name, pulang lupa Santa Lourdes, importance of City. And there's another one, and I do also motivational talks. Nagsasalita ako sa mga women or motivating students. Meron naman time na I was the speaker, and then there's someone at the back, may lady, high school ko, 4th high school, who's crying. Because I was talking about the love for family, the support, and then tinanong ko, bakit umiiyak? Paano daw, pag walang nagmamahal sa kanya, yun pala, I'm working student siya, wala siyang, yung family niya and yung parents niya, hindi siya sinusuportahan to go to school. So siya lang talaga. So, iyak siya ng iyak, and then meron nagsabi doon na isa na sometimes na nakakapag-isip pala yun ng suicidal na sila dahil nagkaroon ng depression o nilabanan nila. So, kinausap ko, sa talk ko, in-address ko yun na you just pray a lot, there's someone up there, always up there, you're never alone. You have your guardian angel with you, you count the people who love you, even your friends, hindi necessarily na by blood, nagmamahal sa'yo and want you to be okay, to go on your studies. So I think kahit papano, paglabas siya ng room na yon, she's emotionally stronger and able na hindi na makakapag-isip. Marami mga kabataan ngayon na nagkakaroon ng depression. Especially like, di ba sa age natin na to na laging gumagamit ng gadget, less yung interaction, human-to-human interaction. So, mas mahina sila emotionally. I think it's really important also na kinakausap natin, lalo yung mga Gen Z, di ba? Marami sa kanila na hindi masaya sa labas, pero may pinagdadaanan pala. So, yun. Thank you, Simon, for your question.
Hello.
Hi,
Follow up
Sir.
lang ako sa Dance Speaks
Dance,
here.
yes.
Yes, hello. Miss Sharina, tanong ko lang sana yung yung bagong single na Carry On. Can you tell us about that? Yes.
Carry On. Actually, this Carry On song, ano pa po siya, 2021, when I started my music YouTube channel, Sharina CJ or Sharina Carmen. I wrote this together with a friend, yung Carry On na to. I really wanted this song kasi nung time na yun, di ba, pandemic po, lockdown, COVID times. So gusto ko sana makakam up ng song na makaka-reach sa ibang tao kasi nakalock tayo sa mga bahay. So they would be motivated to go on with their lives kasi ang daming discouraged at the time, daming nagkasakit, ang daming mga nawalang mga buhay. So that song is for those who are feeling down, and hopefully when they hear that song, they will be energized, they will be empowered, and they will not give up. They will keep on fighting, diba? It's also about holding on to your faith sa taas. Kasi God always has your back para alalayan ka. No matter how bad it is that's going on in your life, then there's always a bright tomorrow with a rainbow.
Kakantahin mo ba yun, Miss Sarina?
Po,
Kakantahin mo ba yun?
supposed to sing it, pwede ko naman kantahin kung gusto nyo, pero po ngayong napaka-espesyal na gabing ito, launching po natin, ilo-launch po natin yung music video ng Carry On. So, I'm excited to share it with you. Maglutuan po kaya, we shot it in Puerto Galera. Ang director po ay si Direct Luther, director din natin.
Alright, so there you go. Thank you to all the questions from the media again. Congratulations and thank you. Congratulations on your new show, Queen Tuhan. Can you tell us more, last na lang, can you tell us when is it gonna start streaming and such, mapapanood?
Of course, it's under KMB Studios with Direct and Martin B. Wala po si Direct, we're gonna shoot on Tuesday the teaser and the plans and then the episodes on June 6. So June 13, hopefully po, we'll have you, the media, to view our kung ano po yung videos na carry out namin. And June 20 will be the first episode. It will be every Saturday at 5 p.m. on Signal TV, Fox channels, and I think SongMed ng KMD Studios. And I will be posting them also on my Facebook account, Sharina Carmen, or the Facebook account of Sharina Inola. So please watch out. It's for you guys.
Thank you again, Queen Sharina, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. And speaking, Queen Sharina, of your, song Carry On and the music video, we have a surprise. You just mentioned there's a surprise for everybody. And the surprise is here right now because we will be showing to everybody right now the music video of Carry On. Here we go. Let's play it.